Hello guys, there we have a ZTE Blade A71, and today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode on the 4 more popular web browsers. So we will start from the Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, just click here on this arrow icon or 3-dot icon. Now just tap on New Incognito tab. In the Opera Touch, click here and choose 3-dot icon again. Now switch to the private mode. Now it's time for normal Opera. In this one, just click here on this tab icon and tap on private. In the Microsoft Edge, just click here on this tab icon and go to the in private. Now just click plus. And the last one, we have to wait a second. In the Firefox, in the simplest way, just click here on this zero mask. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, remember to visit our channel, and goodbye.